is no denying that all of us have a great love for the wide variety of sweets. Indians always have a corner left in their stomach for sweets. Sweets not only complete our meals but are also offered in our places of worship. Every state has its own speciality in sweets. These delectable dishes have popularity across the globe. This is Now You Know, and today we have come with a list of sweet delicacies that one must try in India. Rasgulla. These spongy soft round balls from China find their roots in Bengal. A light sugar syrup is prepared for cooking them. They are healthier than other Indian sweets as they are not fried in oil or use too much of ghee. They taste best when chilled. Mysore Pak. Originated in Mysore Palace, it is made with generous amounts of pure desi ghee, sugar, gram flour, dry fruits and cardamom. It is a must-have delicacy in South India. Ghevar. Ghevar is a traditional delicacy which originated in the state of Rajasthan. It is disc-shaped sweet cake which is soaked in sugar syrup. The sweet is widely consumed around the time of Tej festival. Modak. A Ganesh Chaturthi must, Modak is a mouth-watering steamed dish having its exterior made out of wheat flour or rice and the insides are filled with jaggery or fresh coconut. Have you tried all of them?